Okay, so let's have a quick overview of a random module. So random module is called random. We imported it in the same way as math module. And again, you get multiple useful methods and functions in this module. We will cover just 3 of them, but there are many more. Again, we will post to some links to some resources where you can find what you can get from random package. So yeah, let's have a look at an example. For instance, a method randint generates a random integer within a specified range. So if I run this part of code, I print 5 times, because this for loop goes through from I equals 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, a random integer from a range from 1 to 10. One important thing to note here: this is not like with usual range in Python, so the right end of the range is also included in the possible outcomes. So as you can see, I got 10 here. With normal range, this 5 is excluded. I get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's the difference. Yeah, and you can see whenever I run this code cell, I get different results. This is because I get random numbers here, either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or 10. So another example would be a uniform method. Also, again, we get numbers from a specified range, but this time we get floating point numbers. So not only integers, not the whole numbers, but also any value with decimal points behind. So yeah, you can see that if I run it between 2 and 3, I get something 2 point something. If I change this to 5, I should get various numbers between 2 and 5. So these are the methods you can use when you want to get a range of things, something random result from a range of things. But there are also other things like a choice method. So imagine you have a list with some elements and you want to randomly choose something from this list. You have a choice method which just chooses a random thing from this list. And note that we are doing this here 5 times, right? This for loop makes sure that I do it in the first iteration, I got llama. In the second iteration, I got llama again. In the third again. In the fourth one, I got cat. And in the fifth one, I got dog. The reason why we are doing this in a for loop, not just one time, it's of course possible to do it just one time, and then I will just get one choice. We left, so now I got llama, now I got dog, now I get llama again, cat. Okay, the reason why we have used for loops here is for you to draw many times so that you can see that the result changes with time. Okay, so again, we link you to the documentation page about package random, and you can use resources we have posted before concerning math module to search some information about it as well. And in the next video, we will just go through some other packages which are available in Python. And close this course with the overview of possible options you have with packages. So thank you and see you there.